How are you? This is the King from Institute of Technology and Learning Center. And our contact is Sanga at gmail.com or WhatsApp number that's +2556240003819, or you can like our Facebook page that is Technologist, or you can just visit our blog that is www.kingslash.blogspot.com, or you can just see also more tutorials on our Facebook page that is Technologist, as I told you. And today I'll be showing how to delete your Gmail account or any other account permanently. And as you know that all Gmails are emails, but not all emails are Gmails. So we have so many kinds of accounts. Like Gmail account, you have Outlook mail that is reinvented Hotmail. We have Yahoo Mail, you have All Mail, you have Yandex Mail, we have Proton Mail, we have Zoho, we have Mail.com, we have GMX, we have Fast Mail, we have Hast Mail, we have Inbox.com, we have Short Mail. So we have different kinds of email accounts. Though I know most of the people used to use this Gmail and Yahoo, but we have so many other accounts, kinds of accounts in Gmail perception, in email perception. Well, so you can just have so many email accounts, but you don't use them. So it's better to delete them. So we have the way to delete and undelete. So I will show you how to delete the account and how to undelete, how to download your files, your stuffs before deleting your account permanently. So first of all, you need to be connected to the internet like that. I'll be connected to this is the King's Last. I have another connection here that is slash institute, yes, there, and that's the numbers. Okay, well, so you need to go to your browser, any kind of browser. You can use Internet Explorer, you can use Opera Mini, you can use Google Chrome, you can use Mac, and you can use Torch, whatever, but using Google Chrome. So you can just go to your bar there, search bar, you can just write there sign in, sign in Gmail like that. Then you can just come here, sign in to Gmail, Gmail help, Google support. You can go to sign in. You must sign in first before deleting, so that you can get an access to some of the stuff there. So there you have to write your password that you used. So that interference there. Oh, let me go down there. Yes, I want to just sign in there. So it's opening like that. So from there you have to come to this. Here I'm in my Gmail. That's Gmail account. So you go to setting, then settings, like that. Then you go to account and imports. You go to other Google account settings. We want to delete it. So follow my steps here. Scroll it there and find this statement, that is delete your account or services, like that. Then delete account, delete Google account and data. So it's loading there a bit. Here you have to write your password. They want to confirm if you're a user, or you're the owner, or you're the administrator of that account. Well, so you see this link, you can download your data before deleting account. So if you click there, you'll make a backup of your maybe emails, pictures, videos, whatever, all the data there. So you can check all these box, then you go delete account like that. Yes, our account is gone. Your Google account and all its that have been deleted. Wow, so we don't have access to that account again. Now what if I can just recall, wow, I have my stuffs there, so what should I do? So we have a way to undelete it, so we can bring it back. We can have an access of this account again. So I want to cancel this browser like that. Then I can come back here. I want to test sign in to this deleted account, that is sign in Gmail like that. I want to sign in because I've deleted. So let us see if we can have an access to that account again. But I'm sure have account. An access to that account. That was /Sanga at gmail.com. So go next. You see, so I don't have an access. This account was deleted, but I have an attempt. Sorry for that interference. That's the car passing there. So this account was deleted, but I have an attempt here to restore this account. So if I go next, that means I'm still committing that I really need to delete that account. But I want to attempt to restore this account like that. Yes, so I can just write my password that I used to open this account. Yeah, so you can just delete and undelete. Yes, success, you have undeleted your account. So I can just continue or change my password there. So I haven't deleted the account, so it's opening up there. So there we go, because you have deleted and undeleted this account. So I can just back up my stuff, then delete it permanently. Well, it's okay. It's okay. So that's how we do to delete and undelete our accounts. So signing out. Bye bye. If you have enjoyed this video, so let us keep on touch so that you can get more clips, more tutorials, more videos like this. You can just visit our blog. You can just visit our YouTube channel, or like our Facebook page. Whatever, our Facebook page is Technologist. Our WhatsApp number is +255-624-000-319, and our email is sangawtz@gmail.com. And yes, let us keep in touch. Bye. I'm signing out.